Several celebrities own and reside in luxurious and expensive homes, and professional football player Cristiano Ronaldo is no exemption. This legend might know how to kick it on the field, but his taste in homes is worth the hype as well. Won't you love to join us in the vast world of Ronaldo's property portfolio? Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to fill you in on Cristiano Ronaldo's $56 million property empire. So sit tight, relax, and learn a few things from this legend. Let's get started. The Portuguese player is said to be planning for his future with his most recent project and has bought a huge plot of land in the Quinta da Marina region of Cascais for the price of £7 million. Quinta da Marina is just 30 minutes away from Lisbon Airport and 10 minutes from the middle of the coastal town of Cascais. The affluent coastal region, centered on Estoril, Cascais and Sintra, is known as the Portuguese Riviera and is one of the most prestigious areas in Portugal. Correio da Manhã stated that work on the site has already begun, with plans to complete it within 4 years, and it will be the newest addition to the football legend's property portfolio. Some reports claim that Cristiano sees the mansion as only an investment, but TV7 Dias states that he plans to retire there with his family. The mansion will dwarf many of the properties around it. Cristiano Ronaldo's most expensive home is a luxurious condo in New York City's Trump Tower, which he bought for an eye-popping £14 million back in 2015. The next year, reports stated that the Ballon d'Or winner might upgrade to another area of the 58-story building, worth another 8-figure amount. This 3-bedroom space boasts beautiful views of Central Park and Manhattan, a line of private amenities such as leather facilities and security, and gorgeous wooden furnishings. Unfortunately, the value of the condo has dipped in recent years, driving Ronaldo to put it on the market for £6.8 million in 2019. He was forced to cut even more off the asking price, and the New York Post stated that it's currently listed at just £5.9 million. One of Cristiano's best properties is in his native town Madeira and is the home of his brother Hugo and his 66-year-old mother Dolores. He bought a mansion in Funchal for an undisclosed amount back in 2015 and transformed the property into a 7-story apartment block for over 4 years at the sum of £7 million. The home features a rooftop pool for good measure, a 5-car underground garage where the star can park his luxury cars, 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools, a small football pitch, and a jacuzzi spa. The home is close to the CR7 Museum, which his brother Hugo helps manage, and the Pestana CR7 Hotel is also not too far away. The number of bedrooms and bathrooms in the property is unknown, but there are 4 floors above ground. Ronnie uses the complex as another holiday home when he goes to see his family in Funchal, and even spent time there during summer while in quarantine. Sadly, the home was robbed by thieves who apparently found out that the parking garage door was unlocked and broke in. A signed Juventus jersey was sold, as well as a few other possessions. Ronaldo has spent a lot of time at the home since it was completed, and even flew back to spend time with his mother after she suffered a stroke. There's no place like home. The next home in the star's property portfolio is the Marbella holiday home. After winning the Serie A in his first season with the Italian club Juventus, Cristiano Ronaldo treated himself to a new holiday home in 2019. He purchased an opulent home in the Marbella Country Club for £1.2 million, allowing him to sunbathe under the rays of the Costa del Sol during the off-season. The region the expensive home is situated in is called the Superstars Cul-de-sac because of the number of celebrities that reside there. Famous UFC star Conor McGregor is also said to own a home down the street from Ronaldo. The holiday home has 4 bedrooms, breathtaking views of the sea, and high-vaulted ceilings. There are also private gyms, an infinity pool, a private golf course, inbuilt cinema, and the driveway is lit up by LED lights. After all, what's good for McGregor is also good for Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo made a move to Juventus for £99 million back in 2018. And swiftly moved into a home worthy of its reputation as a football icon and fit for the latest king of Turin. The cost of the opulent property is unknown, but it consisted of 2 adjoining villas situated on a private road, guarded by security guards and surrounded by private, lush gardens and vegetation which leads to an entrance gate. Very little is known about the gorgeous home in the Turin foothills, but the football legend gave fans a peek inside the home through his official social media accounts from time to time. The rooftop of the property offers panoramic views of the beautiful Italian city, while the amenities in the home include a state-of-the-art gym that he and former shop assistant Georgina love to use together. There's also a swimming pool, where the player cooled down by doing a few laps after a stressful session of working out. It also features palatial walk-in wardrobes and a nursery. Cristiano fell in love with the property because it reminded him of his Madrid home. The house is so high up that it's as if the city of Turin were bowing down to the football star. It was reported by La Gazzetta fellow Sport that Cristiano was attracted to the Turin home because it reminded him of his old home in the exclusive La Finca neighborhood, just outside the Spanish capital. Located just along the road from his former Madrid teammate Gareth Bale, the property of swanky modern design worth a whopping sum of £4.8 million was Ronnie's home for most of his 9 seasons with Real Madrid. The 8,600 square foot home welcomes its visitors to the site of CR, boldly engraved on the front door. The stunning home, which was designed by renowned architect Joaquin Torres, has a further 32,000 square feet of open space that contains a swimming pool and a football pitch next to it, and the relaxation center with chairs and sun loungers. He is said to have put his previous home on the market after leaving Los Blancos over 3 years ago, but it's still unknown whether it's been sold. This home also has an indoor swimming pool and includes a state-of-the-art gym fully equipped with a weight section, treadmills and a stretching zone, so the player could keep in shape while at home. The legend bought the most expensive apartment in the Portuguese capital in 2019 by spending £6.5 million on a jaw-dropping flat in the Avenida de Liberdade. His lifestyle might not have been as lavish when he was an upcoming player, but Cristiano may have good memories of the central Lisbon region from his time with Sporting. He's said to have fended off 2 tycoons to secure the gorgeous 3,100 square foot flat, which has a pool and gym as well as beautiful views from the rooftop. Unfortunately, Ronnie's antics on top of the apartment landed him in trouble, and he was forced to take down a gazebo to avoid a legal dispute with the architect of the building. The Portuguese player is also said to own a flat in the Rue Castillo region of Lisbon, but the value is unknown. Lastly is his riverside estate. Ronaldo was faced with a legal dispute and was then ordered to demolish a housekeeper's cottage and annex at his luxurious riverside estate in the beautiful town of Gerês in northern Portugal in 2021. He obliged and donated the debris from the demolition to nearby families in need of the materials for their properties. The riverside estate is just another Cristiano's getaway spot that he purchased so he could enjoy holiday getaways overlooking a gorgeous national park. He bought the property for £2.3 million and is believed to have sold it to his former Real Madrid teammate Pepe for an amount in the same region in 2019. However, Ronaldo is still registered as the owner. Well, that's all for today's video. What do you think of these luxurious homes owned by Ronaldo? And their features and prices? Make sure to air your views in the comments section below. Hope you enjoyed watching and make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video.